Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be talking about the Tesla news, the price cut that they're having, and also they're giving out free supercharging to Model S and Model X's. Okay, so first off, let's gonna try check it out on the Model Y. If we were to order it now, see what the prices are and how much they drop. Alright, so off the back, as you can see here on the top right corner, you can see the 7,500 federal tax credit. This states here all new Model Ys qualifies for it. And right now, the time frame for you to order a Model Y from April all the way to June. Okay, so this first version is this is the Austin built one. This is the one that uses the new battery pack, 4860 battery. I think it dropped 3,000, which is awesome. And you think about the $7,500 federal tax credit, and also you will probably qualify for the California rebate as well, which is another $2,000. That's a lot of savings you're looking at for a all-wheel drive dual motor Model Y. Okay, and this one is built in Austin, Texas. The next up is the Model Y long range, and this is the one that I bought in late December for a lot higher price. Okay, so this is a perfect timing for anybody that wants to get into a Tesla. Okay, as you can see here, $49,990, and again, this will qualify for the 7,500 along with the 2,000. And look at the performance prices right now, $53,999. That's like dirt cheap. If it was like this cheap, I would have bought it the performance instead of the long range back in December already. Okay, so we're gonna go, we click on here and then it explains you more in the details right here. 75,000 credit, customers take delivery, new quality. Meet all the requirements, federal requirements are eligible for a tax rate up to 7,500. And this is give you more like details of gross. If you will file it with a couple, 300,000, heads of household, 225,000, and so on. And here's the price cap. So Model 3, 50,000 or less, and Model Y has got to be below 80,000 limits. Okay, so this is going to put the Model X and S is out of the rebate, as we know. So again, these are the different colors, you know, different colors at different price. It used to have like silver metallic, used to be free, but now they charge $1,000, so the only free color is the white. And you can upgrade any wheels, the 19-inch or the 20-inch for an additional $2,000. $1,000 for the tow hitch, and you can do 5-seaters or 7-seaters. 7-seaters, I think they increased like another $1,000. I think it used to be 3,000, so now it's 4,000. And you can add on enhanced autopilot. And enhanced autopilot and also full self-driving, you can add it afterwards. Okay, you don't have to do it at the moment. And if you need a wall connector, mobile connector, you can buy it as well too. And here it's reaffirmed you that you will get the credit and just continue the payment. All right, so we're going to go into go back and check out the Model X, and we take a look here. We will order now, and you can see on the top right hand corner it doesn't say the 7,500 anymore because it doesn't qualify, but however Tesla does give out the 3 years free supercharging. And again, this is unlimited free supercharging with the purchase of Model S or X. And we click on here, it tells you exactly the details of it. Okay, so customers who take delivery of a new Model S or X vehicle between April 20th, which is yesterday, 2023, and through June 30th, 2023, are eligible for unlimited free supercharging on their new vehicle. Free supercharging is tied to your Tesla account and cannot be transferred to another vehicle or person in case of ownership transfer. Tesla shall not be liable if delivery of your vehicle does not happen before June 30th, 2023. Used vehicles, business orders, and vehicles used for commercial purposes are excluded from these promotions. Promotions is subject to change and may end at any time without notice. All right, guys. So as you can see here, the Model X, I believe they increased a couple $1,000s. Now the base price is $97,490, and this is a dual motor all-wheel drive. It gives you a range of 348 miles, 149 mile per hour, and 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. And for those of you who want, more speed, you can get the tri-motor, the Plaid, which is $110,000 more, which is excellent price. Okay, and it's a tri-motor. And we go down here, we look more specs. So this is the new colors that they have, and this color, it's called Ultra Red. It replaces the multi-red that the one that I bought back in December. And this color is $1,000 more than what I paid for. Mine was $2,000, and this one, I guess they did a lot better quality than the other one, so they raised $1,000 more. But you can get any of the other color for a lower price. But if you're gonna buy Model X, you might as well get the Ultra Red because it looks awesome. Wheel size, you can get the 22-inch or you get the 20-inch or 22. 22, you add another $5,500. And this one, the tow package is included, unlike the Model X or Model 3 or Model Y, we gotta pay. And again, this one, it comes with different configuration as well. Base is 5 seaters. You can make it 6 for $6,500 more or 7 for $3,500 more. And with the X and S, you have the options to change to pick the steering wheel, the traditional ones, or you can go with the yoke one, okay, for $250 more. And again, enhanced autopilot and full self-driving. You can purchase this after delivery, or you can through the app, or you can do it now, or you can even subscribe monthly. If you're asking me if full self-driving is worth it, as of right now, I would say no. You can just, if you want it, you need it, because it's something that you don't need it always, okay? And also, it's not 100% full self-driving yet, so you're pretty much just paying for the, for a work in progress, okay? So maybe until it's fully implemented and we trust it 100%, then I would say the $15,000 is well worth it. But as of right now, no. And if you really need it, you can subscribe to it monthly for $199. And that, again, you can do that after purchase as well. And let's see, we click on and continue payments. Here's give you a little more all the details of what you're getting. 3 years free of Supercharging, and you get 1 year free of premium connectivity trial. Okay, so basically just like every vehicle Tesla has LTE, which is a connection to use satellite and stuff like that. For the Model Y and Model 3, it only comes with 1 month free, and after that you can pay $99 for a whole year, or you can pay monthly for $9.99, I believe. Okay, going down more, breaking down the prices here, you can see that the price of $109, destination fees and order fees, bringing this vehicles out to $111,000. And if you click on the loan sections here, it will tell you exactly what it is. Your monthly payment is $1,701. And you're going to put down 7% down, which is come up to be $7,500, and the APR right now is 5.59. I got mine 5.34 back in December, so it's not bad at all still. And I thought I got it through Tesla financing, but it turns out that Tesla outsourced to Wells Fargo. Okay, and if you want to check on that video where I did refinancing my vehicle to a lower rate with another credit union to I think 3.49, I believe, and which is not bad. And I also added the gap insurance, so you might want to check out that video. But pretty much it. And all right now, if you want, you can just place the order, $250. And again, this order fee $250 is non-refundable. So if down the line, if you change your mind, you're not gonna get it back. Okay, so that's to wrap up this video. Tesla, again, cut prices on Model 3 and Model Y $3,000 and $1,000 on the regular, the standard one, and they increased the prices for the Model S and X's, but they do give you the 3 years free of Supercharging. So if anybody's out there that are already looking at a Tesla Model S and X, you know what? Anything that is free or that is included, it's always a plus. All right, so thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about this video, feel free to leave it a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.